Hello friends, today we will talk about Sushant Singh Rajput. So let's get started. Rajput was born in Patna to Krishna Kumar Singh and Usha Singh. His mother's death in 2002 left Rajput devastated, and it was the same year that the family moved from Patna to Delhi. Rajput attended St. Quirini's High School in Patna, Kulachi Hansraj Modern School in New Delhi. Rajput had ranked 7th in the Delhi College of Engineering entrance exam in 2003 and secured admission in the Bachelor's of Engineering class in Delhi College of Engineering. He was also a National Olympiad winner in physics. In all, he cleared as many as 11 entrance exams, including that one for the Indian School of Mines. After he started participating in theatre and dance, he barely had the time for studies, resulting in several backlogs, which ultimately made him leave Delhi College of Engineering. He completed only 3 years out of the 4 years course after dropping out to pursue an acting career. While a student at Delhi Technological University, Rajput enrolled in Shyamak Davaris's dance classes. It was only later that the idea of making a career in acting occurred to him. Some of his fellow students in dance class happened to be interested in acting and were attending Barry John's drama class. Influenced by them, Rajput also joined the acting classes. Here, he found his passion for acting, and he says, "I found the experience liberating. I realized that I could communicate with the audience. I knew I wanted to do this forever." Within a few months of joining the dance class, Rajput was selected to be a member of Tavares's standard dance troupe. In 2005, he was chosen to be one of the group of the background dancers at the 51st Filmfare Awards in 2006. He was a part of a troupe that went to Australia to perform in the cultural program at the opening ceremony in 2006 Commonwealth Games. By this time, he was tired of engineering. He was happy and successful in the dance and the drama classes, and he decided to do what he was good at. He dropped out of engineering and devoted himself full-time to dancing and acting. To make a break into films, Rajput moved to Mumbai and joined Nadir Baba's Ekjut theatre group, which he remained a part for 2.5 years. During this time, he was featured in a TV advertisement for Nestle Munch, which became famous throughout India. In 2008, the casting team of Balaji Telefilms saw Rajput's personality and acting talents while he was on the stage for one of Ekjut's play. They invited him to audition them, and Rajput landed the role of Preet Juneja in Kis Desh Mein Hai Mera Dil. His character was killed quite early in the show, but he was such a popular character with the viewers that he was brought back for the season's final in the form of a spirit. In 2009, Rajput began starring in Pavitra Rishta as Madhav Deshmukh, a serious and a mature character. His work in this serial received a wide appreciation, and Rajput received 3 major television awards for the Best Male Actor and the Most Popular Actor. This performance was his breakthrough and gave him a stepping stone into the films. In May 2010, Rajput joined the dance reality show Zara Nach Ke Dikha De 2. He had already proven his acting talents by winning awards for his performances in Pavitra Rishta, and he wanted to establish that he had a good dancing skill and could be trained further. In Zara Nach Ke Dikha De, Rajput was a part of the Mast Kalandar Boys team. He did the shooting of both Pavitra Rishta and Zara Nach Ke Dikha De 2 at the same time. On a Mother's Day special episode, his team dedicated a performance to his mother, who died in 2002. In December 2010, Rajput participated in another dance-based reality show, Jhalak Dikhla Ja 4, where he was paired with the choreographer Shampa Santhalia. In 2011, Rajput decided to quit Pavitra Rishta to pursue a filming course abroad. In November 2011, Rajput quit the serial and was replaced by Hitan Tejwani. However, in October 2014, Tejwani paved way for Rajput, who appeared in the final episode. Rajput auditioned for Abhishek Kapoor's Kai Po Che and was selected to play one of the three leads, along with Rajkumar Rao and Amit Saad, based on the Chetan Bhagat novel The Three Mistakes of My Life. His second movie was Shuddh Desi Romance, Parineeti Chopra and Vaani Kapoor. The film deals with the subject of live-in relationship and was completely filmed in Jaipur, Rajasthan. In 2015, Rajput was in Dibakar Banerjee's mystery thriller Detective Byomkesh Bakshi, in which he portrayed the role of a detective. In 2016, he appeared in Neerja Pandey's biopic sports film MS Dhoni: The Untold Story, in the lead role of the Indian cricketer Mahendra Singh Dhoni. This film's performance was widely praised by critics and earned his first nomination for the Filmfare Awards for the Best Actor. In 2017, he appeared in Rabta, co-starring Kriti Sanon. In 2018, he appeared in Kedarnath, a love story set in the backdrop of the 2013 floods in Uttarakhand, co-starring Sara Ali Khan. In this film, he played the role of Mansoor Khan, a Kashmiri young boy. In 2019, he appeared in Sonchiriya opposite Bhumi Pednekar. He appeared in Nitesh Tiwari's Chichore opposite Shraddha Kapoor. Later that year, he starred in Drive Alongside with Jacqueline Fernandez, which was released on Netflix. In 2020, he starred in Mukesh Chambar's remake of The Fault of Our Stars titled Dil Bechara. This film was to release in May of this year but was postponed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. On 14th June 2020, Rajput was found dead hanging from the ceiling fan in his home. He had reportedly been suffering from depression for about 6 months. However, no suicide note was found. According to the Mumbai Police IPS officer Vinay Chaubey, some medical prescriptions and medical reports were found in Sushant's room and the investigation is underway. Celebrity hairstylist Sapna Bhavani. It's no secret Sushant was going through very tough times for the last few years. No one in this industry stood up for him, nor did they lend a helping hand. To tweet today is the biggest display of how shallow the industry really is. No one is your friend. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe.